And so when was the first time that you saw or heard of 3D printing?
Oh man, that was I was gonna say it's probably 15 years ago, especially being in IT and such, is
Yeah.
that, you get exposure to it. I'm in California, so a hotbed of technology and also I personally know engineers in all types of industries like aerospace and medical devices and things of that nature. And of course, they talk about it and stuff like that. So as soon as I found out I could really get involved in the industry and get to know it, man, I was very excited to, just jump into this because I really feel like I said, when I was just into IT and I saw, I mean, okay, like one of the first computers I probably ever touched was like a Commodore 64, right? So you start at that level to where IT is today and you see the adoption of different technologies and different aspects. I see that in additive now. And I really see that we're just in the infancy of it and how it can grow. And I'm so excited to be part of another, you know, evolution of technology. And so again, seeing it where 3D printers were hobbyist or things were in schools so that kids can start learning STEM activities to where it's now going to be a full manufacturing process and to be able to be competitive in the manufacturing industry. I can't wait. I'm so excited to be part of it.
Be sure to check out our website, www.3degreescompany.com, for more content.